Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility and preparing your workspace. Turn off power and ground yourself with an anti-static strap because static kills components. Once done, open the chassis and inspect the expansion slot for obstructions. Install the network card firmly until the bracket seats. Make sure you connect any auxiliary power if present, then secure the card and close the case. Power on and enter BIOS to verify the device is recognized, so the OS can load drivers. You now install drivers. Obtain the exact driver package for your NIC model and OS version, then run the installer or load the kernel module. Once drivers are active, configure the interface. Use static IP for servers or DHCP for clients. This affects reachability and routing. Adjust MTU and duplex to match switch settings to avoid fragmentation or collisions. After applying settings, restart networking services and test link status with ping and IP/if. You finish by validating real-world performance. Run iperf and check error counters and collisions to quantify throughput. If performance lags, tune IRQ affinity and enable or disable offloads to balance CPU versus NIC work. This changes latency and throughput. Make sure link negotiation matches the switch and test with different cables to isolate hardware faults. If issues continue, reseat the card, upgrade firmware and driver, then test again. If still failing, swap with a known good card to identify faulty hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.